Is Japan doomed? A snowstorm in Japan has already delivered 47 inches of snow in only 12 hours, which means 4 feet of snow. I'm 5'4". Just for you to have an idea, I would be almost gone. And there's way more to come. I will show you guys a little videos that I collected about the snow, and it's like mind-blowing. But remember that Japan had a few big quakes and tsunami warnings in January. All this snow that just started because they are predicting way more. It's gonna be heavy as hell on the land that obviously is already not okay. And this is how fast the snow just like covered completely a car. I mean, for a long time now, they are predicting and living in the shadow of this big quake that can happen and literally break the island in the middle, if not just sink it completely. Again, for the NPCs, snow in Japan, it's normal. What is not normal is this amount of snow in this amount of time. 4 feet of snow in 12 hours. And it's snow in places that is not common. If you still don't believe that besides the distraction with politics and the media and artists and Super Bowl, if you still don't believe that all of this is real, but that also Mother Nature is pissed off and the humans are enjoying that pissed off moment to also manipulate the weather and make things worse, I'm sorry, I'd rather be crazy than delusional, because being delusional is more dangerous. Because you still believe everything is normal.
We've just come across this, and this is them actually showing you and explaining how far it's seen it comes.
I'm just speechless.
Of the guy
For the ones that
explains that this is exactly what's been going on over the
going
years
on
now.
and
Is that
everything's gonna be
obviously
fine.
Planes reduce
You're gonna wake up
clouds,
hard.
and then it builds up like that. Which then once it builds up like that, there is the amount of moisture in there, it then produces the rain, the thunder, the lightning, which then produces the rain and the water and the moisture into the ground. And in Thailand they use